Hi. Wondering what are these? Look at their leaves. Don't they look just like an areca palm? Yes, they do, but they're not. This is yet another rare plant called Philodendron Tortum. You can see the leaf shape is unusual to be a philodendron, which is the unique feature in this plant. But see here, like its family members, they have their own nodes and aerial roots. So I'm just trying to locate the place where I can make the chop. Let's do it just below this node here. It's always fun to multiply plants and share with others. And I'm greatly indebted to the aerial roots here. The top cutting that looked just fine like a whole new plant. So here we go, the mama plant with her baby. Hope that doesn't hurt. That's going to heal in no time. I'm expecting new growth from here in a couple of weeks. So let's continue the same with others too. We have around 4 plants. So they do not have the aerial roots. They are not of equal size. So few will have short roots and few will have longer roots. But as long as they are actively growing, meaning they are whitish or greenish to naked eyes, you can go ahead and chop. And they're not fussy, meaning they grow new roots in no time without having to air layering them. So propagating a tortum is kind of an easy. This is going to be the soil mix. Make sure it's not sticky but loose like this. Time to pot them up. Since it has very small root system, we require small pots like the one I'm using here. It's of 2 to 2.5 inches width. Another thing to notice is the aerial roots. They are very fragile and hence are prone to breakage. So handle with care while bending the roots as you're potting them. All done. Easy, wasn't that? We'll be back with updates soon. Until then, bye bye.